Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring an AI, which is also known as Privacy First AI, that is Lumo AI, a brand new AI chatbot that's getting a lot of attention for its speed, accuracy, and powerful creative features. It can chat naturally, generate content, help with coding, and even create full documents instantly. So let's dive in, explore its story, test some prompts, and see how powerful Lumo really is. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. I am using Microsoft Edge browser to test these prompts. What is Lumo AI? Lumo AI is an intelligent chatbot developed by Perplexity Labs, launched recently as a lightweight but super capable AI assistant. Its goal is to provide fast, reliable, web-aware answers without confusing or overly long responses, making it perfect for daily use. Origin of Lumo AI. Lumo AI was developed by Proton AG. Proton is a Swiss-based company, and Lumo AI was launched on July 2025. Lumo was built as part of Perplexity's mission to create AI that is simple, fast, and focused on knowledge. Within a less time, Lumo AI gained huge traffic because of its speed and direct answers. The team behind Lumo AI believes that modern AI should be quick, accurate, and easy to understand. And Lumo clearly reflects that vision. So let's discuss some features of Lumo AI. So, what exactly can Lumo AI do? Provide accurate conversational answers to questions. Perform a web search and deliver up-to-date, real-time results. Generate creative content like blogs, essays, and scripts. Summarize long articles or reports. Assist with coding and debugging. Support multiple languages available for free on its official site. Now let's test Lumo with some example prompts. Prompt 1. Real-time web answering and fact-checking. I am entering prompt as compare the latest iPhone and Samsung flagship models and give me the most recent specs and prices. Let's wait for Lumo response. Lumo instantly searches the web and provides an up-to-date comparison, including prices, specs, camera differences, and pros and cons. This shows Lumo's biggest strength: fast, accurate, real-time knowledge. Prompt 2. Creative and analytical writing. Next, I am entering prompt as explain the impact of AI on small businesses in simple language and give 5 practical tips any business can start using today. Within moments, Lumo gives a clear explanation, plus useful, beginner-friendly tips, perfect for entrepreneurs, students, or content creators who need instant insights. Prompt 3. Coding ability. I am entering prompt as generate a simple landing page for my startup company. Lumo AI quickly begins generating clean HTML and CSS code. You can see it producing a fully working web page. Fast, accurate, and easy to use. Final thoughts. So that was a quick look at Lumo AI, a fast, clean, and super helpful AI assistant built for modern users. Is it better than ChatGPT? Not globally yet, but for quick information and simple tasks, Lumo definitely stands out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. See you in the next video.